Video starts at about the 2.5-minute mark. We'll see. Haven't made a video in a while. It's been weeks. And like this, I really don't have anything to put a video up of now. But I've made a couple. I'm gonna start putting them up this week. This one's just making a bed. I mean, it's a blow up one of the mattresses you buy in a box. Out here, I've been getting, my buddy got the air compressor all done. And not only that, oops, been working on the bike. Actually, looks all good. This starter has been a royal pain in the butt. We were just gonna tinker on it a little bit and get it started and change the oil. And when Richie grabbed the starter, it just went, oh well. That's that. All kinds of stuff. Check out this video and like, don't enjoy it because it's not anything that you're used to seeing on the channel. It's just making this bed that comes in a box and actually has some pretty unique engineering. Video starts at about the 2.5-minute mark. We'll see. One owner car guy, oneownercarguy.com. And as you can see, I'm here in a mess. And I've been cleaning and cleaning and cleaning. Brought in new chairs here. Well, not new, but got this thing in here. And like, I just moved a lot of stuff in here. And got the stroller and the baby thing put together. I mean, man, there's work to do. But I got so much electronics and junk. And look at this, it's full of crap. And all this crap, and I filled up all these trash bags, and oh my god, it's insane. It's looking good. I ain't gonna paint cabinets or nothing. I don't mind the old school wood look. I ain't gonna take that paneling down. I don't mind the cheap ass brick paneling. But one thing I gotta get going, I've got this room almost cleaned out. Got this closet all going on, but is the bedroom. And man, I got these things here cheap, but cheap. $6 for the dresser with the mirror, $6 for the side nightstands and bed, and then in here, $6. $6 seemed to be, oh, 5. This one was 5. And I mean, I'll tell you what, she wants some cheap ass little storage containers for baby stuff. This is it. Oh, okay, and I want to say, here we are. And maybe I'm being prompted to say that. All you do is unzip the back of your bed. And in there is this. Everything you need to put your bed together. Whoever did this, came up with this, is just pretty anal about space, man. But look at this. All the parts here. All the slats. There's that. And I'm just going to kind of start putting this together and yanking it out. Jeez, this thing is just so many parts all put in here. And I've put one of these together before. And it's not that hard. It really isn't. But there is a lot of parts shoved in here. It's a queen size bed. So I'm just going to get this out, open some stuff up, and start this mess. Okay. I am literally 10 minutes into this, I'll bet. And I've got a structure, a frame. I'm going to put the sides on now. Slats go in the middle. It's a really simple thing. Actually, there's only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 screws, bolts included. I'm going to try and figure out a way to show this to you. Hopefully the light is okay. There's these 2 little bolts here, and they're already installed. And you just kind of loosen them up a couple turns. And do the same thing on the other end. And then you've got these pieces that slip on there. And you've got these little clips there. Sorry, it's a little dark. And you got these clips there. Do the same thing. Got to do the same thing on the other piece of the side rail. Okay. You got these little slats here, and I've unloosened these, and you got these little slats here. I'm going to show you. It might be hard to do with one hand. It is going to be, I'm going to set this back here, and you just kind of, you got to get this in here. And most of it is getting it kind of lined up evenly. Like this is not wanting to be even on this side. So I'm just taking a little bit more out, and I just got it. Boom. This just kind of slides right on there, and this one will slide down in there like that. That's that. Now we just tighten them up. Now I'll tell you what, the little ratchet they give you, a ratchet Allen wrench. Kind of cool, and I haven't even stripped it out yet. And I thought, and you got the little thumb thing on the back. Oh man, it's a nice tool. I'm gonna keep this. Very simple to put together this bed. Anybody can put together this bed, guaranteed. Okay, this was literally like a 25 minute, 20 minute to this point, I'll bet. And I just got to put the slats on, and they're really simple too. You just simply pop these things on the end. How would I show this? Put this here. You take this thing and this thing. Yeah. Pop it right on the end. Boom. And that's that. One on each side. And then you simply stick them in the hole. Stick them in the hole. Boom. Just like that. It's actually really quick, really simple. What does it say? Zinus. I don't know. But I know that it's a very easy bed to put together. You just gotta keep clicking along, doing and doing it. I'm actually gonna put these all on and then hit it up. Okay, we got a lot of the bed up here. I've been putting this side on. It's a quick process. And now Lily's here.
Yes, with my wood.
With her wood. And we got the other ones. And I am not even gonna actually tell her anything about this. I'm just gonna take the bag. I'm gonna dump them out.
This is how you're gonna make a bed.
How you're gonna make a bed. So now what do you think you do with that? You got the right idea.
Yes.
Don't even need instructions.
Yes. You don't even need instructions.
There you go.
You could just look at other ones.
Okay, but does that have a... Oh, both ends are open. Oh, wow.
Both ends are open?
We got a problem. The box spring or the slats are really easy to put on. Lily's putting the ends on this one. There's a middle piece. And the middle piece just... Here, hold it.
Oh my gosh.
Hold the camera. The middle piece you just kind of slip on here like this. And just move on down the line. It's super fast, super easy. These are a double end one. Mm-hmm. And you slip them on, and you slip this piece in here.
Oh.
And there's an end piece like this. You put it on. You pop it down the holes. And then the middle piece over here. That's it. Just bunches of times. Alright, I've got the bed all together. This little unique newer box spring thing is pretty cool. I got the mattress here, and I'm going to flip it on out. Lily's here. I got foam for the window. I might foam this over for the winter. You want to see the mattress unroll?
Yeah.
Okay. We will move this. Leave that there.
And let it be done.
We'll see what happens here. This is going to be interesting. Mattress in the box. It's definitely heavy.
This will be a fun video. Turning it with your bare hands is good.
It's good, huh? It's just what we gotta do at the moment.
If you have bare hands,
Okay, I'm gonna pick it up
good.
and try try
If you
and...
don't have bare hands, bad.
Bad? Whatever. Oh, the top comes off. Okay. Heavy package is over 70 pounds. It does feel like it weighs about 90 pounds. There you go. So now the top come off. Yes, it does.
Yes.
Okay, so I'll show that. If you take the ends off, this piece will just come right off. And you're left with the mattress.
The mattress is really soft.
I think it likely is too.
And I'll test if the bed's soft, maybe. Let it roll.
Okay.
Instructions is a good idea. If you don't read instructions, it'll go wrong.
I do believe that. Okay, don't go to sleep yet. It's not fireproof.
Is it waterproof?
No, so don't pee in it. Ha ha ha. Carefully cut open the plastic bag along the edges.
Is the video still on?
Yeah.
I am trying to keep normal. I could have a baby voice. Every time when I'm on a video, I have a baby voice. That'd be really fun if it would be a taco.
Holy smokes. They told me to cut it, and I was afraid to. I don't want to hurt the mattress.
If you hurt the mattress, oh no. Let it be. Let it be. What? This is all yours, Nathan.
We'll have a good setup here. This is crazy.
I think it takes a lot of time to wrap it all off.
No doubt.
Yay!
That's the last one. You can hear it. You can see it
Oh,
starting to blow up. Hear it?
awesome. So that's what the mattress looks like, everybody.
Listen to this thing. I'm gonna get it straightened out. Wait
for it.
Here we go. Okay.
Is it upside down?
I was wondering that. I'm thinking it is.
Yeah.
It's heavy, huh? Oh, we broke it. Okay.
So that's why you have to read the instructions.
Well, now, we should have it the right way up, I guess. But it's all good. Look at this.
It's fun.
Bam! Look at that, man. It's already grown a lot. Okay.
It doesn't actually feel that bad.
Well, of course not.
It's soft.
Okay.
Wow. It grew.
Did
Did you see it growing?
Yeah.
you hear it too?
This is like full.
Don't get it in a plastic bag, Dorcas. You could suffocate. Okay, hop off.
Oh my god, it's soft.
Bingo bango.
What's 90 plus 40?
130.
Oh, I think I made it more.
Okay, and in all of, I don't know, 5 minutes, it's grown basically to the size. Basically, it's what it's going to be, but they say it grows more, which I'm sure it does. It's very comfortable.